Dears and dears, welcome to Thars. Dears, today we will learn about the smog and the components of smog and the effects of smog on the environment. In last, we will learn the nomenclature of smog. Let's first learn that what is smog. Smog is a specific kind of pollution, particularly very visible, thick air pollution that results from a combination of pollutants, primarily nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds, in the presence of sunlight. It often occurs in urban areas with high levels of traffic and industrial activities. Smog not only reduces visibility but also has serious health implications, causing respiratory issues, cardiovascular problems, and their ailments. Now let's learn that what are the components of smog. These are the components like smoke, ash, sulfur, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and other pollutants. So these are the total components that create the smog. Smog is not good for environment because it reduces visibility. Smog has serious health implications, causing respiratory issues, cardiovascular problems, and other ailments. So, in a nutshell, smog is hazardous for health as well as it is bad for the environment. Now let's come to see the nomenclature of smog. So smog is the combination of smoke plus fog. If we see the nomenclature of smog, then SM taken from smoke and OG have been taken from fog. If we combine SM and OG, it will be smog. SMOG. So the definition which we have explained in the first part of the video was the definition of science. It means it was the scientific definition, and the definition that the combination of smoke and fog is the definition of words. It is a simple definition which explains just the two components which make a one component, single component from two components. So dears and dears, this was the general science topic, that was smog. I hope you must have learned something from this topic. If you have any query, then please text into the comment box.